Let us take a look at the different parts of a theodolite. Most of its parts are made of metal. The base of the instrument is a triangular plate called the trivet. The trivet is a plate with a threaded opening. The foot screws rest on the trivet by a ball and socket mechanism. These screws are used to level the device. At the other end, the foot screws are attached to a triangular plate called the tribark. The trivet, foot screws and the tribark are together referred to as the leveling head of the theodolite. Above the leveling head is the lower plate. The lower plate is also known as the scale plate. It is beveled and graduated with 0 to 360 degrees marked in the clockwise direction. Above the lower plate, there is an upper plate. It contains two vernier scales named A and B. Above the upper plate, there is the plate bubble. It is used to check whether the device is in a level position. On the upper plate, there is a pair of frames called the standard, or the A frame. It supports the telescope of the theodolite. The telescope of the theodolite can be pivoted between the standards, perpendicular to the horizontal axis. The telescope has a focusing screw, clamping screw, and a tangent screw. Adjacent to the telescope, there is the vertical circle. It is fixed to the telescope and moves up or down along with the telescope. Beside the vertical circle, there are two verniers named C and D. Above the vertical circle, there is the altitude bubble. It helps in measuring the vertical angle. Sometimes, the theodolite is also fixed with a compass. It is used to take the magnetic bearing of a line. So remember, these are the different parts